Hey future designers, welcome to our UX UI design course. Ever wondered how your favorite games and apps look so cool and work so smoothly? That's what we are diving into. In our course, we are going to be the superheroes behind the scenes, creating designs that make websites and apps super easy and enjoyable to use. Whether you are dreaming of designing the next big video game interface, a fantastic website, or a cool app, this course is your first step into the exciting world. We will learn how to pick the right colors, choose awesome fonts, arrange buttons and pictures in just the right way, and make everything work smoothly. It is like the architect of a digital playground where everyone wants to play. No worries if you have never heard of UX and UX designs before. We will start from scratch, and by the end of this video course, you will be a design superhero ready to create amazing digital experiences. Also, no design experience is needed. By the end, you will be a design pro. Are you ready? Let's design the future together. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was really helpful and you liked the content, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. We are coming up with more interesting topics in the upcoming videos. Till then, bye-bye.